So as you saw the question already, so we have a question from solids, a square prism. Okay, so a square prism is usually like this. Okay, so if it was pyramid, then it would have that cone type thing, but a square prism usually is like this. So they say 30 mm of side of base 60 mm. Okay, so base we have 60, height is base is what that height is 60 and that side length is 30. So it's resting on one of its edges. Okay, so I mean corner, sorry. So it's resting from this corner. Edges mean it will be resting like this. If you see a edge, it will look like square, but if they say corner, so it will come like a diamond shape. Okay, then we have the angle 40 degree for HP, and for VP we have 45 degree. So first let me just draw a line. This is our XY. Okay, so now I'll draw my prism here itself. So first I'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure about the lines. Okay, so if it starts from here, so I have to take compass and measure 45 degree from from each point. Okay, since it is a corner, right, so I have to measure 30 and just put an arc like this. Okay, and here also, and since it is 45, right, so I don't have to measure, so from corner to corner nothing but the line. So it will come like this, and from here it will be like this. Okay, then I got this intersection point. From here I'll cut here, and then from here I'll cut here. So one thing which you have to notice here is that you will have this and this in the straight line. Okay, even if you're not getting that on straight line, just somehow make it as one straight line. Okay, so that's the main thing here. You don't have to, what to say, uh, put it cross or something. It has to be straight, and make sure you put all the lines they are straight, and each line shouldn't be so dark also. So this is the top view usually whatever we see here. So if you see this from top, it's this square, right? Now if you see from side, it's one big rectangle, and the same thing which is happening here. So I won't be explaining in much deep. If you just want me to explain in deep, you can comment and let me know. For time being, I'm just showing you how to do it in a simple way. Okay, so it's done. First stage is done. Okay, so it might not come neat because I cannot come in front of the camera, so I'm doing it. That's why I'm doing it without coming in front of the camera. So okay, so just ignore that. Okay, so now we have to name this, right? So since it is a pyramid, it has two edges. So if I consider this as A, so I should name it as A comma A1. Okay, this will be my B comma B1, C sorry, in the bracket C1. This will be D D1. So this will be my A1, this will be my A. Okay, we can take like that. So if I say it is A, so below the line dash should not come, above the line always the dash will come up. Okay, so here if I am seeing from this side, so B is visible. Okay, see, since this is this type of corner, right, if I see from here, this side is not visible, right, so B is visible, D is not visible, so I'll write B outside and D in the bracket. So here corner is C, I'll write C, but here dash should come up. Same thing down, A1 dash, B1 dash in the bracket, D1 dash, and here C1 dash. It will be better if you keep doing it with me. Okay, so that will be nice. Why? Because you cannot see this properly. Anyhow, at the end I'll put a proper picture of this, so you won't be having any problem. So now what I have to do is, since it said 40 degree like this, right, so I have to take 40 degree like that. If I assume, so I have to take like almost 1, 2, 3, some 5 boxes away. So if I do like that, 1 2 3 4 5. So let me take it from here. Okay, from this point I'll consider a 45 degree. Keep it straight. 40, not 45, 40 degree. If you have to take 45, you don't have to measure, because this corner, this each one is 45. Okay, so this I just took a line which is of 40 degree. And yeah, I forgot to mention, we have to also mention this center. Okay, I'll write O comma O1. So here we have O1 dash, of course it's not visible, and here we have O dash. Okay, even this is not visible anyways, because on corner view we are not seeing from top exactly from the front. So if you see it exactly from the front, you can only see the edge line, you cannot see the surface center. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to measure this. Okay, I don't know how much it is, just keep here and cut it. Okay, I'll just erase the extra part. So this thing exactly it's placed here. Okay, this same thing is tilting, right? So it was like this, sorry, like this, it got tilted like this. So this same base has went there. I'll just measure once again. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, then now I'll measure even this half point where it is there. Okay, like this. Now what I will do, I'll take my protractor, keep exactly on this point straight. Okay, it has to be exactly on this line, measure 90 degree. Same goes on this point, keep exactly on this point, it should be straight on the line, and that point 90 degree. Now just put a straight line, don't make it too dark also. If you cannot place like this, just keep like this and put line sometimes. Okay, now again what you have to do, measure this height, which is usually 6. I'll measure from the line. Okay, yeah, keep on this point, cut, keep on this point, cut. So now I have got the base also, so I will just join this. Okay, now you can do one thing, either you can take 90 degree from here and join, or else simply you can cut, measure it like this and cut like this. Okay, it will be same, it has to be same, then only what you are doing is correct. You have to put like this. I'll make it dark. Okay, because it is visible. Same thing I have to do, it's all visible edges, so they all are dark. Now you have to do the naming part. Okay, but make sure whenever you name, you have to take lines like this and also like this, so you don't write the letters in such a way that it will be coming cross. Now see here, I'll be taking lines, so I know this is A, so I won't bring it so down, I'll just bring till here. Okay, you have to be smarter, because sometimes you have to present it neat. So these two corners will come till this line itself here, and this thing will come till here, should be straight, only this much, that's it. Then I have to take lines from here too, so approximately it has to come till here, then even from here, and yeah, see, there is some small distance. Okay, it's not exactly on the line, there is some distance. Why I'm trying to save more, I could have even done here, because but simply this much space is wasted. Why? Because now this part will take a lot of space, so we shouldn't be wasting a lot of space. Now see here, we got the edges properly. Okay, this is one, I'll just make it as dots. Okay, now if you see from top, see, this part is not visible, right? If you see, now if I keep it like this, can you see this? Even if it is tilted also, you can only see this line edge, but you cannot see this. That's why all these lines will come in what to say, except for this corner too. Okay, let me first put it in it's not a complete line here. So since it is hidden lines, right, so hidden lines will come like this. Not all four, this corner will be line itself, but I just want to just I am explaining, so I am trying to show like that. Now I will take lines from here too. So this is C, okay. I will take only till the mid. This line will come till down and this will come till mid. Again I got the points, see here. So now this line is not required for me. This is visible edge. Okay, so now from here to here we have one straight line edge. From here to here also we have, and from here to here also we have. So this is that edge. Now how it will be visible? So see here, this is the resting corner, this part. So here two edges are there, right? So since it is edging like this, these two are not visible, only this upper two edges are visible. It is like this exactly, okay. Now see here, it will be visible like that, right? So it's like that. Now let me name. So this is my A1, this is my B1, C1, D1, and this is my O1, okay. So this will be my O. So here we will be having one long chain line. So this will be my only B, this is my AB, this is C, this is D. Done. Now let us name here. This was my C dash. So here it was my B1 dash in the bracket D1 dash, and also my O1 dash. So this was my A1 dash, A dash. This is my B dash in the bracket D dash, and this was my C dash, and we also had here O. Okay, so now what I have to do, they have said it's 45 degree towards this, so I have to just tilt this in such a way that it's 45. So let me take line like this, or else I can even do from here, it won't be a problem, okay. So I'll consider this line, take 45, okay, randomly. Now I'll consider one point. Let me consider this as my C, this point, okay. This should be this. Now see here, it's very simple to construct. Now we have in the same way every line, so this has to come like this, right? We have C, O, A, C1, O1, A1, so we have 6 things. We got C. Now the same way we will measure and obtain each and every point, okay. C got over. Now C to C1, C to C1, okay. So this was my A. The measuring should be same, right? See, A to A1 is same and C to C1 is same. So now I have to take even O. Why do I need O? Is because I better take like this, because compass, small compass is a problem. So this is O, this is O1. Now you see here I got all my 6 points, C, O, A, C1, O1, A1. I don't want this extra. Now it's very simple. I just have to take 2 bisects. Now what I will do, I will simply measure one. This one measure is all I need, okay. Yeah, it's same. So now keeping this from both the side, one arc, okay. Then keeping here one arc, one arc. Then now keeping here, I will put an arc even here. Now keeping here, I will put one arc here and one arc here. I will just erase the extra lines, okay. It should just look neat for me. Now see, Now I have got all the points. Okay, I just have to join them now. That's it. So I first let me put dots. Okay, simple. Now this line will connect here, and this line will connect here. This should connect here, and this should connect here. This will connect here, and this will get connected to this. Here I think I might made a little. Yeah, perfect. So from here to here we had hidden lines, right? And from here to here we had visible edges. It actually came pretty neat, right? I have to mention 45 angle over here. Simple. Oh, done. See, it was just a piece of cake for us. Now I'll just name it. So this was my A1, B1, AB. So this is my D1. This is my C1. So now see here, D1 is here and D1 is here. So I'll pull a line till here. Okay, my A is here and here the A is here. So approximately I'll it came cross. Yeah, it came cross. Okay. Fine. A little bit here and there. That's it. Okay, so this only till here, and my B1 will come somewhere till here. It came cross again. Shit. Okay, it's fine. Now see here, 1 2 3 4. So this is my base when it gets turned like this, right? It was like this. I'll show you like this. It will look better. It was then became like this. Sorry, it was like this, like this. Now it's turned like this. Since it's turned like this, so this part will be visible. So first let me just join this. Okay, it will be easy for us to understand. Yeah. Because once you put all the lines, it will be hard. It will be hard for us to understand. Yeah, I made a mistake. I didn't even put lines from here, and I directly took it. This is A dash. Okay, it's like this actually. Okay, so now we have got. I forgot to take the base lines. Okay, that's why it didn't come properly. Now it's fine. Now it will come perfect. It's simple, you know, like we have to take lines from here and like this. So like graph how these two lines will intersect. That point is nothing but our exact coordinate. And what is our coordinate? This A dash. Simple. All these alphabets or names you have given. See, it's good now. Okay, so now I got this below edge, so now I'll do for this. So this was my A, this was my B, C, and here was my D. So it seems like C and D are coming in a straight line itself. So where is my D? Is still here half, right? So I'll take till there itself, not too much above. So like this over. Now my A is exactly on the line, I assume. It's not visible, right? It's exactly on the line, I guess. So my C is exactly in the center, so C will come only till here, and my B, it will come till here. Okay, so now I have to put lines from here. Okay, so A, C, we don't have to put lines, it's already properly on this place. Okay, I'll connect it, that's it. So you have to use a sharp pencil, then it would come even more neat. And another reason for me not doing this properly is because oh shit, I made it dark. Why? Because this is not visible. So okay, I'll show this line which we pull is not visible. I just put the base. Okay, why? Because if you are seeing like this, right, so if base is visible, the top won't be visible, right? Only the two edges will be visible. So this thing is like this, even this. So now see here, from here to here. So now let me just name it here. So this is my C, C1 dash, and this is my B1 dash, D1 dash, A1 dash. This is my A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. Now A to A, B to B, C to C, D to D. It's like that. Okay. Did I do the naming properly? Yeah, this is my A. So A to A. This is visible. Okay. Now D to D is not visible. It's behind, right? This will be visible, and also this. Correct? Yeah, it's here. Yeah, that's it. This was the O, right? It will come like this, and here was the O. It will come here. So from this point to this point, that's it. So I'll write here O1 dash, and this I'll write O dash, but in the bracket. So this is in the bracket, not visible, right? This edge is not visible. Remaining all the edges are visible. And don't forget to mention the X, this is Y, and this is HP, and this is VP always. And don't forget to put the dimensions, and remaining everything came out neat pretty well. So that's it.